Inserting the needle now, drawing the sample. Sample secured.
Temperature is 101.5. Logging that now.
Steady now, almost at the doors. Got it. Doors are opening. Right through. Keep it moving. The dashboard's updated. Let's review the heat map.
Look, activity is high in Sector C.
Good. Schedule a check there. Sequence initiated. UV at full intensity. Containment secure. Monitoring cycle progressing at 25%.
Check this alignment. Is the yield optimal?
Yes, meat yield is 78. Cutting is perfect.
Good. Next one.
Pressure's optimal. Watch for any residue.
Copy. Marbling looks intact post-wash.
Excellent marbling. Definitely prime. Logging it now. Attach the tag. Confirmed. Look at that. Perfect thickness. Yeah, ready for packaging. Impressive. Clean cuts, minimal waste.
Okay, scanning the ribeyes. Got the next one. Bagging them up. Next customer, please.
Lowering now, watch the swing. Got it? Looks good. Drop it. These steaks are looking perfect today. That's it, keep pulling. Watch the laser trace the pattern. Perfect alignment, now it's cutting. Cuts are clean, great precision.
This shade goes in yellow, black ones to blue, darker brown to red.
Here's the massive ribeye steak, madam, served smoking hot.
Oh, it looks absolutely perfect. Okay.
Here are your shoes. All set?
Great, thanks.
Have a great day.
Here is your purchase, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy. Vitals stable. Opening gate.
This is our premium leather duffel, hand-stitched,
It's beautiful. May I?
of course.
The texture is perfect.
Your sizzling bull steak, sir. It looks incredible. Thank you. All right, let's get this pallet in the truck. Got it. Keep it steady. Almost there. Push.
Scanning sample now. Inserting rack for analysis.
This cut is from our prime rib, perfectly marbled. These are from our new Italian collection.
It looks wonderful. I'll take it.
All right, pull it steady down the ramp. Got it. Keep it centered. All right, push it in. Here we are. Let's get these on for you.
Thank you, young man. Feels good.
Excellent. Now the other foot.